today we are talking about Vanek.store. Know if it's scam or legit. You should know about it. Vanek.store is connected with this video to know this. Vanek Store is an online shopping website where you can find accessories, clothes, ring and diamond painting. In Vanek Store reviews, it is mentioned that the site gives all its items at a discounted and offer rates. You can get the stationery items, electronics, showpiece and many other in the Vanek Store. The Vanek Store deals in made in China goods and there no minimum order quality. The Vanek Store delivery is product in different countries like Europe, the United States, the Middle East and East Pacific. The Vanek Store is very strict towards quality as they do not want to deliver downgraded item to their customers. Advantages of the website: first, offer high quality product to the customers as mentioned in Vanek Store reviews. Second, the price of the products are very reasonable. Third, the company has a quality inspection team that inspect the product very carefully before dispatching the order. Fourth, can return the good to the website if the items remain unsold. Disadvantages of the website: first, there are no reviews giving regarding this website and its products. Second, the refund policy was last updated in the year 2018. Third and last, product being repeated every day. Vanek Store review. When we search for the review of Vanek Store, then we find nothing. There's nothing on the internet regarding the reviews of the website, and on their official website there is no column of customer reviews. The website is not connected with any social media platform to find any information on Facebook, Instagram or YouTube. As this site, the domain age is just 1 month old and the just trust score is not up to the expectations. We can say that the site is just a scam. So of the website content is copied and the image used are copied, so it's better to stay away from this site. Do comment your thought about this website in this product. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon.